Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The AG. In today's video, I'm going to share you an interesting, easy and quick pickle recipe, that is tomato pickle. Usually we sun-dry pickles for longer shelf life, but this tomato pickle can be prepared on stove top and this stays fresh for 3 months, and if you keep in a refrigerator, this comes for about 6 months. So to prepare this tomato pickle, here I took 1 kg of washed and dried tomatoes. Here I am using normal tomatoes. Do not use hybrid tomatoes to prepare tomato pickle. Now roughly chop these tomatoes into big pieces and keep them aside. Now we shall take tamarind of 100 grams. Clean the tamarind and remove small stems and seeds which are present inside the tamarind. So after cleaning 100 grams of tamarind, keep this aside. Take a big pan and transfer all the cut tomato pieces into this pan. Keep this pan on stove top by adjusting flame to medium. Stir at regular intervals. Cover the lid and cook till all the tomatoes becomes soft and all the moisture from the tomatoes evaporates. Keep the flame on medium and close the lid. When tomatoes turn little soft, add 100 grams of tamarind which we have cleaned and kept aside. Mix well. Water from tomatoes should evaporate. Cook till all the water has evaporated. If there is any bit of water present in this pickle, then your pickle will spoil soon. So make sure that you cook this pulp until all the moisture has evaporated. Close the lid so that this process happens a bit faster, and if you could see, we are halfway preparing this tomato puree. We are still left with more water, so adjust the flame on medium high and stir continuously from the bottom so that no tomato puree sticks at the bottom of the pan. If you could see, all the water has evaporated, and this is the final stage where you have to switch off the flame. This is the required consistency of a tomato pickle. We shall wait till all this tomato mixture has cooled down completely. After this tomato mixture has cooled down completely, transfer to a blender and make into fine paste. Blend this mixture in batches for smoother texture. Now, after you blend this tomato mixture into a smooth paste, transfer this into a wide plate. Now, to this add 3/4 cup of red chili powder. You can adjust the spice level according to the taste you prefer. Here, for 1 kg of tomatoes, I took 3/4 cup of red chili powder. Mix red chili powder and tomato mixture completely and add 1/4 cup of salt and 2 teaspoons of jaggery. Mix well till all the ingredients are well combined. Here we are adding jaggery so that you can balance the sourness from the tomatoes and tamarind. Now keep this pickle aside, and now we shall dry roast 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Dry roast them on low flame. When these turn aromatic, turn off the flame and blend into fine powder and keep it aside. Now into the same pan add 1/4 cup of oil. Here I am taking sesame seed oil. Sesame seeds oil is usually preferred while making pickle. While the oil is little hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and mix well. Add handful of crushed garlic cloves and red chilies. Mix well, and finally switch off the flame and add handful of fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves will splutter, so be careful. Switch off the flame. Now add 3 to 4 teaspoons of roasted fenugreek and mustard seed powder into the pickle. After that, transfer the tempering to the pickle and mix well. Make sure that little quantity of oil floats while you transfer this pickle into an airtight jar. Store this pickle in an airtight jar. If you are keeping it outside in room temperature, this pickle stays fresh for about 3 months. For longer shelf life, store this pickle in refrigerator, and this pickle stays good for about 6 months. Make sure that little oil floats at the top of the jar so that this pickle doesn't spoil quickly. Yummy and delicious tomato pickle is ready. Try this tomato pickle this winter and do let me know how this turned out to you in the comment section below. Please like this video and support our channel. Not only in summers, you can make pickles in winters also. So make use of all the winter vegetables and start pickling. Stay tuned for more pickle videos coming in our channel. To never miss an update from our channel, click on the bell icon and select all option so that you'll be notified whenever we post a video. This tomato pickle is a great combination with idli, dosa or your dal. Don't miss preparing tomato pickle this winter. I hope you love this recipe. If you do like this recipe, please like the video and share this video with your family and friends. Please show your love by clicking on like button and do watch our videos. Thank you for watching.